Welcome to Bo Billionaire. This is Raghu here. Thank you all for all the support and encouragement. Today I thought that I'm going to bring a small video with the best settings for pivot. Right? There are a lot of strategies videos which I have shot yesterday and day before yesterday, the midpoint reversal or the guppies methods and the moving averages method. Everything works. Everything works. So these things, the strategies should be used. As a beginner, you will have a lot of confusion. You will know pivots, but if you have seen all the strategies, I have always used pivots because they are the best what do you call market structures which would tell you beforehand what is happening. So if you are a professional trader, how the professional trader trades is a naked chart. Perhaps most of them don't even use pivots. They may just use naked charts with a 20-day simple moving average or 20-day exponential moving average, whichever fits better to them. This is the most simplest setup which is needed for trading. All right, this is Camarilla pivots. In Camarilla pivots I have used weekly, monthly, daily, high lows, and just a Camarilla pivots. Why? Because I know, say if you just see here, S3 is a buying area. Here R3 is a selling area. S4 is a buying area. Watch here. Below S4 is the breakout. Sometimes it does not work because market has traveled from a very long way. R3 is selling area. Below R3 is selling area. This is weekly high or low, and then market comes back. Above S4 is a buying area. R3 is a selling area. Market is in range bound. 20-day moving average is a straight line. It's not working. Above R4, market sustains is a breakout. Similarly, if you're using a camera, standard pivots, a 20-day moving average, same weekly, monthly, daily, high, low, and the standard pivots. Above R1 is a breakout. Below R1, market has 65% probability to test the CPR. Even here, see here, below R1. Below S1 is a breakout. CPR, no trading area, it acts as a strong resistance. Above R1, market can go up, right? Below S1, it's a breakout. Reversal pin bar, market goes up. Most of the times, market will be in range bound. When is this breakout happen? See, below S1, you have a breakout. Now, these pivots shows me, since I'm in option trading, it shows me beforehand where market is trending or in range bound, and I have the simplest setup. Now, the purpose of this video is there are a lot of people who ask which indicator is better. Now, honestly, this is all you need. Now, I'm introducing you to different indicators because yes, they do work. Say, for example, guppies, they definitely work. There's no way that I can tell you it's not working because it's been introduced by a financial expert and several thousands of people use it. But if you ask me, how should you trade? I want you to trade with the pivots alone, perhaps with a 20-day moving average. Now, if you understand pivots, there's a video, 2 hours video, which I have shot here. If you go to Bro Billionaire, and then I wanted you to watch this introduction to price action, decoding the trading strategies. I want you to watch this, and then there might be another video, small video, decoding the price action, same name. Watch that. You will never go wrong. For me, see here, this is a morning star. One candle, this green is a big jumbo candle. Once the high is broken, I will go high. See, most of times what we do is we tend to take trades at wrong location because price keeps going up and down, up and down. But if you're a full-time trader, you should not trade more than 3 times. Very exceptionally 4 times, but not more than 3 times. If you're a scalper, you should never trade more than 6 times. These are the thumb rules, and all these 6 or 3 trades should be at the right location with proper stop loss. So for example, okay, this is breaking R5, but above R4 is a breakout. I want R4 to break to go short, but still let's assume I went short here. My stop loss is here. I want the take the stop loss and then take a counter trade to recover the loss. Now, if you are trading properly, right, you can never go wrong. If you know price action, this is a morning star for me. Similarly, this is double top. Again, 65% of the times, first attempt of double top fails to break. And with this 20-day moving average or pivot, when it breaks, I know I have scalping opportunity. See, it went till here. I could have taken this trade. So most of the times market will be in range bound, R3 going up and down, but with price action. See, with this price action, you can scalp few points. Although I advise you to stay away from this kind of market, but based on experience, you can scalp, you can never go wrong. But if you are a full-time trader, there is another video in our YouTube, magic of 5 minutes and magic of 15 minutes, where if a market is in a trend, especially R3 is broken, 20-day moving average is broken in first 5 minutes, keep the high of the as stop loss, and trust me, go back and do the back testing. If you use the ATM option or little slightly ITM, the stop loss, I use ATM, okay? The stop loss majority of the time, 70 to 80% of the times will be 25 points per lot, which is 1,250 rupees. If you are trading in Bank Nifty, it will be 50 points, 1,250 rupees. If you have a big jumbo candle, I advise you to pass it. The stop loss is wide. The way you have to think, if you want to think that you are a Rocky Bai of KGF chapter 2 who wants to conquer the world, the way you need to think is being fearless. Remove that fear, keep it aside. Yes, I can take 25 point stop loss. Trade with one lot, two lot, practice it, then trade. Now here, does it work with guppies? Yes, definitely. But I want you to use guppies with 20-day moving average, because I have told you. So if you're a follower of me, you know that below 20 days selling and below R3 is selling. So you have a confirmation here. And when guppies is giving, when the shorter EMAs, the green one, is going wider from the red one, you know there is a short-term trend. Visibly, you know market is going down. And when market comes close, you know, okay, the trend is unclear here. Let me wait. And again, when it crosses 20-day moving average near S4 is a buying area. Okay, market is in downtrend. Let me wait for the crossover. Okay, with this big candle, crossover has happened. You will know even in this candle or after breaking S3, you can enter here and make money. Similarly, you want to add, no, I don't want to use guppies. Okay, I want to use midpoint reversal strategies, right? You want to use midpoint reversal strategies. Yes, you can use, see, above S3 is buying. The midpoint of first thing is failed. Market failed to defend it. So buyers are gaining upper hand with big green candles. You can enter here. But my point, what I want to quickly finish without wasting your time is, if you understand the price action, you can use all these things, because everything falls into price action. If you have seen all my strategies, I have never gone out of pivots. I have tried to merge them with pivots, because pivot tells beforehand what is happening. You can follow any one of it. What is happening? Okay, above CPR belongs to bias. Now, any number of times it breaks, it goes to bias. See here, bias. Below CPR is sellers. You have to think that way. Sellers, sorry, here. Sellers, yes. People think that way. Below CPR is sellers, above CPR is buyers. Above R1, you have big trend. Below S1, you have big trend. Now, how to capture these big moves is first 5 minutes. Break of this, you have a big move. Break upside, you have a big move. See here. First 5-10 minutes, break of this, you have a big move. See here, break of this, you have a big move. Now, as a retailer, we get consumed by indicators. We fail to see what is happening in front of our eyes. We want to watch it. Why this is a big move? This is a big move because this is a jumbo candle, one jumbo candle taking out of several previous candles in a single shot. So if buyers were strong enough, they wouldn't have allowed this to happen, to take off this. This is, somebody is buying here, right? Previous day. And most probably they will also be holding their positions, right? So maybe the people who are holding their positions are weak hands. They did not have enough money to buy in this fall. So when next time market came here with the least stop loss near this peak, this is the previous day low, people sold more and more positions entered, market went down. This is exactly how you need to read the price action. To read this, it is simple. I'm telling you, anybody can master this. What is the challenge we have is trading psychology. Some people tell 70 to 80%. You want to capture these big moves, you need to give money to make money. Understand this. And along with that, use the indicators to supplement your knowledge while you build your core of knowledge using our YouTube channel. Let me make it clear. All the content is free. You don't need anything to pay. There is a 2 hours video introduction to pivots. You have Camarilla pivots and floor pivots, complete price action. Do not get into a stage where you want to keep on watching YouTube to follow some strategies. There are 1,000 strategies. No, you will fail. That's the reason I always use pivots and tries to blend the other strategies which are high probability where you can make money. You can use guppies, 100% you can use, you'll make money. Now this is another strategy which I wanted to bring you. Now this strategy is an amazing strategy, but it will be very unfair. Before you master something, if I bring it to you as a retailer, you will get confused. You'll be caught up in two minds, which one to follow, which one not to follow. That's the reason I said, whatever you follow, you can follow anything. The simplest is pivots is a must. 20-day moving average is a must. You want to be a professional trader, use that. And then you want to build confidence with this setup. You can use guppies for now and stick to the crossover strategy. If you don't have a crossover, do not trade. It takes time to master any strategy. Remember that. And maybe next week, within 2-3 days, or next week, I will bring you this new strategy and you can compare. I will tell you which one is better, which one is least, both works fine. And then you can decide which one feels good for you and stick to that over a period of time. You will make money like hell. Remember, Rocky Bai was very courageous to go into a KGF, unknown territory, to conquer the entire KGF world. Like that, be a real time Rocky Bai. To conquer the stock market, you need to carry an attitude where you can never have fear. That fear should be taken out with the help of stop loss. If I'm keeping a stop loss at right location, I'm okay, I'm cool. I knew the risk. 25 points, 30 points was my risk. It's gone. So what? It's gone. Next time I enter, I keep the same points as stop loss. I will target 50 or 100 points. This should be the way your thinking should be. Hope this video helps in identifying the better setup. Please do watch this. This is a must. This is a must. I'm telling you that what do you call? I told you, right? Price action. This is important. Watch this so that you can relate to all our videos, or anybody, whoever teaches the video. If you watch this, you will be able to identify, okay, somebody is minting money. So how did he trade this with the same price action? You will be able to easily read the market blueprint. All right, guys, hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Happy Sunday.